danger, traveling through this world of war, but there's no sickness, toil, nor danger in that bright land to which I go. I'm going there to meet my mother. She said she'd meet me when I come. I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going home. I know dark clouds will gather round me. I know my way won't be rough and steep, but beautiful fields lie just before me, where God's redeemed their vigil keep. I'm going there to meet my loved ones, gone on before me one by one. I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going home. I'm going there to see my brother. I know he'll meet me when I come. I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going home. I'll soon be free of earthly trials. My body rests in the old church.